NIBBI PD26 Carburetor Installation Guide for GY6. Step 1. Installing the throttle cable. After removing the original carburetor, attach the throttle cable to the PD throttle lever. The throttle lever is located on the side closest to the engine. Route the throttle cable downward so that it sits tightly in the outer groove of the lever. Then snap it into the adjacent retaining bracket. Hand tighten the nut first. Then use a 12mm wrench to secure it. Fit the rubber boot over the cable and the throttle cable installation is complete. Step 2. Securing the carburetor. Identify the carburetor's air intake and the fuel-air mixture outlet. Be careful not to install them backwards. Slide the carburetor into the connecting rubbers on both ends and carefully adjust its position. Make sure the engine side connection is fully seated to prevent any air leaks. Then tighten both hose clamps with a screwdriver. Step 3. Connecting the vacuum lines. Connect the vacuum hose to the vacuum port on the intake manifold. Connect the fuel pump vacuum hose to the 3-way T-fitting. Step 4. Connecting the fuel line. The fuel inlet is located next to the air intake. Install the fuel line securely onto the inlet. Step 5. Connecting the electric choke. Plug in the electric choke connector. The PD26 carburetor installation is now complete.